After all that Bengali mithai, it's now time to get our hands dirty. We've come to cooking studio run by Rakhi Vaswani. She does over 90 cuisines, but her desserts are supposed to be spectacular. So let's go inside and check her out. So as I said, this is Rakhi Vaswani and she does over 90 cuisines. Rakhi, this episode we're doing sweets, okay, desserts. We've just done a hell of a lot of Bengali mithai.
Okay.
And now I was told that your desserts are also delicious.
We're going to start cooking, and then the proof is in the pudding, so you can just try it and then decide.
Well said. But what have you planned for us today?
We have thought of doing a quick save barfi for you, and then we thought of doing like a firni, like if you're entertaining or something and you want some nice firni, you could do a rice firni with variations. Like we can do like a strawberry, you can do some rose petals, you could just do a custard apple firni.
Okay, great.
So your base is the same and you're just varying with everything.
So let's start with the Sev Barfi.
Sure.
I think it's a great idea because I haven't really tasted a Sev Barfi in my life before. All right, here we go.
So we're going to start with our sugar and water first. Just wait for that to dissolve.
Okay, so we've got sugar and water, castor sugar and water.
And I can even add my
bubbling
color
here.
right now so that I know the color exactly.
And the sugar is already melting here.
So that's melted. I'm going to add the save and then I'm going to add the khoya. Do you like to put that?
Yeah. Shall I put this in?
Yes.
And now it's sweet and Sev.
And in goes your khoya as well.
Okay, so quickly, there's
Yes.
no...
And now if you want to flavor this with some elaichi powder also, you could do that.
You can do that.
Yes, you can do that.
This is a great concept. Yeah, you're saying it's a traditional thing, but for me it's new. And this idea of putting Sev and Mawa together with sugar is
It's
brilliant.
actually a very famous mithai with Sindhis. In fact, people even parcel these and take them to Dubai and all. This
Really?
Sev barfi, yeah.
So this sort of thickens and sets now
Yes, it will.
because of the sugar.
Sugar, the mawa, the khoya,
Okay,
the
because of
save, everything. Can you see that coming
Yeah,
together?
it's all
Yeah,
thickening and
yeah.
it looks really yummy actually.
So when you taste it now, it's really sweet. But when it dries up, it cools down, then the sweetness just mellows down.
Oh, look at this. This is like instant, marvelous, takes hardly 5 minutes to do, looks delicious, tastes great, and I'm going to taste it even when it's
I'm going to pack that whole up for you. Don't worry.
fantastic. Okay, we've got some milk boiling now.
Yeah.
How much milk is this?
This is approximately a liter,
Okay.
which we got to reduce down.
Okay.
And what we've got here is I've taken rice, which we soaked, and then I have strained it out after 15-20 minutes and I've coarsely grind it. Can
Coarsely
you see? It's like
grind,
dhana
yeah.
dana.
So this is-
That's the difference between firni and a rice.
Correct.
Rice kheer, you put the whole thing and you
Yeah.
let it cook. So I'm going to add this now to it. So we have to cook this till the rice is cooked. As you can see, I'm scraping out all the sides.
Okay, so we need about 15 minutes of cooking of this milk and the rice together till the rice is cooked and it's reduced slightly, thickened actually, and then we're going to add all the rest of the goodies.
Are you going to actually make this when you go back home?
I'm going to try. This has now become nice and thick, and I can see that the rice is cooked.
Yes,
We're getting
kind
these
of.
grains as well, no? Aren't
Yeah,
we?
yeah,
See
yeah,
these?
yeah.
Nice.
Now's the stage we're going to even add our milkmaid.
Milkmaid. Condensed milk. The world's greatest thing on earth. So this is enough to sweeten the whole thing.
This is the thing that I can't.
Don't. Avoid. I'll do it.
now see, if you want to flavor this, at this stage, if you're just doing a basic elaichi firni, you just add your elaichi. You're doing your kesar, you do your kesar mixed in milk. If I have to do a strawberry, I have to cool this down and add the strawberry. Otherwise, it'll just curdle.
Okay, this is cooled down a little, and I think we can add in the stuff.
Strawberry puree.
This one. Okay, a nice color.
Yeah. And then you could even add some chunks of strawberry into that. Matka that I'm using there, what I've done is I've soaked them in water. So if you'd like to taste it with the strawberry. You're getting that strawberry, fresh strawberry puree. Since it's in season, might as well. Yeah, yeah. And see, it's thickened up also, you can see.
Absolutely.
So all you need to do is set that in.
Great. So here we are. The firni is ready, and so is the Sev ki barfi.
And some dry fruits.
And some dry fruit. Sorry, it's not done yet. Okay, so now this needs to go to the fridge, doesn't it?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
For
You
how
want me
long?
to set, this needs at least 2-3 hours of setting.
We're going to put this into set, and after that, I'm going to taste both the barfi and the firni. Here goes. This looks very nice. You know what I like about it? It's not too sweet. It's just right, you know. And the strawberries are adding this, as you said, slightly tangy, sour,
yeah.
sourness to it. I think it's a great choice of fruit to put into a firni. Crunch of the dry fruit, the pulpiness of the strawberries, and then the graininess of the. Ooh, it's very nice. What can I say? Now I'm going to try this. I'm going to try this one. Oh, it's divine. Inherently, I know it's pika, it's a pika safe, but it still has a certain amount of saltiness to it, because of which the saltiness and the sweetness together,
That's why.
oh, it's very nice. Can I have one more bite?
Please?
Please, huh?
Please.
Great. Listen, what I've learned today is that I need to come back and take some proper cooking lessons from you.
Definitely.
And I
My
promise you we
pleasure.
shall do that.
My pleasure.
Yeah?
My pleasure.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
It was great fun.
Thank you.
Okay, so we've done a lot of sweet things. One small thing left. Come and you'll find out what it is.